15 plus G-number. Block. Down number. Number 71 on the side. Bumukal sa Malayo. Sa line. Body number 24.
Ayan, Maharlika versus Skyler. Yan. Team Gok versus ano? Si mga to? Si ano? Clemente. Team Clemente versus Team Gok. Yan, yan.
Number 10. Manyabat. Bumukal sa Malayo. Sa line. Body number 1. Subway Plain. Nawala ng pula, number 77 to number 24, Paulino. Nakapasong, pasong. Number 15, Isman on the side, pass to number 10, Manyago. Hilanas sa buhay. Number 11. Number 11, Clemente, pass number 77, pasong. Number 15, Guzman, Salon. Number 11, Clemente. On the right, number 11, pass to number 24, back to number 11 on the side. Supply, Kapika, number 10. Number 10 on the running, number 10, the original supply. Number 24 to number 77, Panag. Pass to number 1. Pass number 71 to number 15 on the side to number 11.
Alat talaga. Backcourt eh. Hindi nakita yung backcourt.
Score 4-0.
4-0 po score, 4-0. Lamang ang Maharlika. Okay, no?
Tawad po. Number 28, pass to number 24. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 20, Garcia, who wants a chance, supply. Number 11 on the side, Pasamo.
Clemente.
Number 10, Manyago.
Traveling.
Ay, fouls to rep.
Traveling, sabi ni Rep. Ah, magandang laban to. Panoorin nyo.
Sabi ni Rep.
Like and share nyo na. I-share nyo. Off ko to. Charot lang.
Number 24, pass to number 11, Clemente, pass to number 24, to number 77, Panag on the side. Supply on number 15, Guzman. Number 15 on the running, number 15, pass to number 10 on the side. Supply on
Mag-play pa yun?
number 15, down to number 10, on the side. Number 77, Panag. Number 77. Pass to number 11, Clemente. On the side. 10 to shoot. Number 77 to number 24, Paulino. Pumas of the rest.
3 points.
Pass by jersey number 24. Score 9. Sorry. Number 71 to number 10, 15 to shoot. Number 10, pass to number.
Ganda.
Number 15, pass on. 9-2. Shawara ng magandang gabi sa'yo, Cesar Reyes. Number 24, Paulino to number 11, the flush. 10 to shoot. Back to number 24. 5-second shot clock. But now, number 10 on the running, number 10 on the number 10, that's number 71 to number 9. Pass to number 10, Manyago.
May mantika ata yung ball eh.
Number 11, Clemente. Palong-palong, tira niya.
Yun lang, Joey boy. Good, good John, good John, good John. Good John, good John, good, 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 good. Good John.
Good money.
Good nga ni.
Good po yun.
Mo, bakit?
Number 20
GK vlog,
out.
GK.
Number 8, Garcia E.
Good yan, good yan, good, good.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Nuki.
Good si Marep, good. Good si Ngani. Good yan, good
Number
yan.
15 is one. Number 28, pass you. Number 28, naman na son, supply. With number 15, biggest one. To number 10, Manyakop. Tinaga, paso. Score 11-4 in favor of Team Maharlika. Number 30, Lobo. Pass to number 28 on the
okay.
side. Nakalusot sa
nga,
bike.
nakuha.
Number 8, Garcia.
Bang, bang.
Sumoy playing on number 28, Paso.
Biyak tayo dyan, Gam.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Alexander de Sala. Pa-burger ka naman.
Shoutout Street Kings. Huwag niyo
Number
kami...
71.
Bang, bang.
Ras. Puntos.
Shoutout sa Street Kings, ha. Huwag niyo kaming pahirapan, ha.
Number 24, Palillo. Wala na ako na number 1, pass to number 10. Number 10, Anyako. Number 10, pass to number 1, Ibarrieta, pass to Calamanyor. Number 28, pass to number 8, Garcia. On the side, McDonald's around the ball. Committer, number 1. Sabat. Diba, palitan na palitan.
Hindi ko lang alam, Justin, kung mag-alay pa mamaya. Pero malalaan. Like and share nyo na para... GK ya, GK. Like and share nyo na para happy-happy lang.
Number 0 to number 8, Garcia to number 23.
Sino sa palagay nyo mananalo?
Pagkasaman.
Match lang naman to, match lang to, match.
Hindi ka nagkikilit, mamaya naka-automatic flex lang yan, titigas yan.
Uy, foul.
Who's for a rep? Found the minute number 8.
Ha? 20,000 viewers, shoutout sa 20,000 viewers.
First row, Paso. Last row. Sabay, going to number 8, Garcia to number 30. Number 30, Lobo. Number 13, pass to number 0, Real on the side, no good. Number 15, Guzman, I got him on the side. To number 9, pass
Nice
to number
pick.
71.
Ganda naman nun, sir.
Number 30, Lobo, 15 shoot. 10 the shoot. Number 1, who falls on Alliance Sabay. Down number 8, Garcia. Last in the line, pass on Evelina Balar, shot clock 10. Pass number 30, Lobo. Nakalasot, pinasa, sa muscle line. Paso. Tignan mo, ayan, medyo may pilit na yung muscle. Ayan, mamaya yan. May kasama pang pawis mamaya. Magandang gabi sa iyo, JC Carolyn. Alam pa rin ba tayong pakuan dyan? Sarap. Ayan, summarize. Pasok.
Show my race. Oh.
Number 13, Lobo. Nalasot, tira sa 5. One number. Number 15 is one. Another man, number 15. The Rajana. It fouls direct. The fall. Number 8. Sarap. Second person foul on number 8. 13 foul. Sige po, palitan at papalitan. Dalawang liver Pagos lang para kay jersey number 15.
Gok on the free throw.
First show.
Ayan, supply.
Sabay. Last show. Pasok. Official score 17-11.
Boss Owel daw, shout out.
Number 30
Owel
Lobo.
Reyes, shout out daw kami ni Boss.
Second shot clock to number 0
Unstoppable play.
to number 8 Garcia. To number 0 on the side. 8 to shoot. 5 seconds shot clock. Out of bounds. Aray mo.
Overpassing.
Iyak.
Shout out sa 22,000 viewers natin. Like and share
Number
lang tayo.
71. Number 71. Pass 2. Shot clock 10. Now number 8 Garcia. To number 30 Lobo. Pasok. Number 24. Pass to number 29.
Traveling.
Talo ang makahakbang ano.
Traveling.
Ayun, sa'yo magtanan. Pinagbabawa na technique sa akin na rin. Palong-palong rin kung pumita mo. Alam mo naman kumain na showing list. So, pas naman ang inata. 1 minute and 5. Number 2, number 8, Garcia. 55 seconds to play. Number 71. Pass by 2. Pass to number 6, Duca, to number 29. Number 29 to Paula. Pass to number 10 to shoot. Foul committed by number 30. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 41 seconds to play. Number 29 on the side. No good. Now number 8 Garcia. Pass to number 30 Lobo.
Shout out sa
Number
30,000 viewers.
30. Pass to number 1. Had about pass to the muscle line on the side. Wala. Ayan, nandisa ka na. Bob Marley. Di na mo na. Pasok. 18 seconds. 15 seconds to play. 10 segundo. 5 seconds to play. First score, the official score, 21-13, favor of team Maharlika.
21-13 na mga Maharlika.
Meron pala tayong photographer dyan sa harapan. The Unstoppable Place. I-follow niyo po siya sa Facebook page na Unstoppable Place. Ang hindi mag-follow, malalagutan ng hininga. Tsaka po si, kala mo pag-iwanan ka, hindi na makakalimutan. J3 Hoops and Unstoppable Place. Ang hindi mag-follow ngayong gabi, mamamatay.
Ito po na. Oh, yung isa, no? Ay, yung sa taga, ano naman yun? Sa kabila. San Francisco. Poblasyon. Ay, siya, ano. Oh, shoutout Chambang Pitik. Kuya Jeff, shoutout.
Panood ko kasi Papa mo ko na kambal. Kabila ko yung kambal.
Ito yun. Siya yung pangatlong ano. Pangatlo. RDC, shoutout RDC.
Number 15, pass to number 6, Bangkok. Number 6, Darajna Saboy.
tayo mag-share ang DC ha.
Masaya na dyan show may race Ay, nanggaling ka. Tatlo. Kaya pala.
Yung kalayo, show mo yun.
Nakatatlong siya may rice daw.
Out out!
Malinaw ba dyan, Kuya Bijok? Malinaw sa ano? Hindi, dito.
Mula sa amin.
Kaya magtago ka. Kaya magtago ka. Sino kaya to? Yan, tago mo yung batok. Ayan, ako yan. Hulaan nyo kung sino yun, tago batok.
Number 11, Clemente. Number 24. Now the number 24 pass to number 6, Dunga, right, Rajana Savoy. Now the number 24 pass to number 28, Kirian Pasok. Oy, nakita, foul number 8. Third personal foul number 8. First quarter, second quarter foul. First team foul. Number 29. Jan, second shot clock. Number 24. Sardas back to number 29. Pumasa, Manano, Pakak, Manak. Number 2. And number 6. Official score 23-15. Napaparin ang bananang Maharlika. Number 20 is Sublime. Now number 28 pass to number 24. Paulina to number 11. Ang walang kasikilis. Parang meron po. Number 21 on the side, by the shoot. Supply, dapikan. Out of bounds. White ball.
Wala, si Doon ka pala dun. Patay na diligan.
Number 71. La Canieta. Pass to number 29. Yeah, now number 20. Pass to number 11, Clemente. Number 11 on the side. Block the jersey number 15 at this line. Number 15. Pass to number 29. Pasok.
Patadapa pa eh. Time out, Maharlika.
23-17. Ang bali ng bananang Maharlika.
Yan,
Shout out sa 34,000 viewers. Pau, ang sakit to, Pau, oh. Ikaw, gago, ikaw nga. Oo. Wala namang lumuha sa akin, hindi iba ulang.
nakakashoot na rin, nakatulog-sunod na rin.
Mga bata.
Nagulat ako, biyantay na ako ni Pau, eh.
Aywa.
Shoutout sa 40,000 viewers. Ayan.
Share nyo na, o papatay.
Share nyo na. Like and share nyo na.
Number 11, Clemente.
Purong basketball
The
lang
team
tayo.
should pass to number 77. Oy!
Oy.
Number 29.
Kalanganin yan.
Number 77 to number 11. Basketball. Committed by number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Ball shot supply. Oh, tingnan mo na, gusto mo bang kunin? Masyadong mabilis. Number 24, Santos. Santos, on the side. Pasok. Number 77 to number 28, continue to shoot. Number 28, Sublime.
Ay,
Ooh.
lakas ah.
Number 11, pass number
Grabe, parang
77,
ibon yun ah.
Sublime. Number 24, pass to number 10. Number 10, number 10, pass it down, foul committed by number 2, Letty.
SGA yun ah.
Alright. Number 20 out, number 23. Final shot para kay jersey number 10. Pasok. Sarap. Number 24 out, number 20. Pitching the ship. Pass it number 11 on the side, Pinas on number 10 the ship, number 11. Pasok. Nakakamahagang balon. Number 24 is Santos. Team number 10 the ship. Number 9 on the side, Sublime. Number 11, Clemente. Sublime. Now number, di ba sa kanya balik? Number 77, Banag.
Joey boy ah.
Thomas. Number 10, pass number 29 on the side, Sublime. Down number 28, pass to number 11, Clemente. Spin move. Pasok. It is a timeout. Magkabilang kupunan. 5 minutes and 41 seconds, 29-22 in favor of Team
Out of
Pampanga.
Aris. Yan, time out mo, time out.
Back to the bowling.
Patingin ako kung nag-live yung ano, active yung live. Active ba? Active nga na.
Ayan na, umangat. Sinabi sa akin naman. Pasok.
Shoutout sa 30,000 viewers.
Number 77, Banag. Pass to number 28. May kasama pang bulat dyan, ha? Now to number 77, Banag. To number 23, single. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot.
Shoutout kay Unstoppable
Number
Blades.
17.
Napakalayo mo. Mga Mindanao.
Number 10, number 10, ang young direction na Asalan. Itaos red, foul, committed by number 6, push and foul.
Rep, laking rep.
Red ball.
Shot kay Prince.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Ronel Hassan.
Kay Prince.
Mulet. To number 20, Garcia. Pagpang sa ngayon sa boy. Number 10, Anyakor. Number 10, Jim the ball. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 71. Number 71. Pass to number 1 on the side. Short. Block. Find the shoot. What happened? This foul rep. Foul with number 2. 28.
Active shooting para.
First personal foul. Third team foul. First row. Sublime. Slipin. What a number. Nasundan. Ano ba sa rep?
Ayan na si Idol OJ. Nanonood na si Idol OJ.
Mulet. Si number 28. Down to number 1. Si number 77. Panag. Pumal sa Malano. Si number 0. Ayan. Puntos.
Andito lang kanina si RJ ah. Shoutout kay RJ. Nandito ka lang kanina eh.
And shoot.
Bang.
Sakit. Ayun, namatay. Ayun.
Yun lang.
Give up.
Namatay na naman yun. Ay, hindi. Kala ko lang. Shoutout kay Jessel. Andito yung kakampi mo, si Ari.
Number 0. Ay, number 9.
Bossing na yan.
Oh, Bossing. Team Bossing. Shoutout Team Bossing.
Garcia, nasundan. And number 10. Ang yaga, veteran para si number 71.
Ganda.
Pasok. Score 32-28.
Uy, apat na lang.
One-point lead with Team Maharlika. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Lerma Tobias. Number 8, Garcia. 10 to shoot to number 1, Supply. Now on number 20, she passed number 77 to number 0 on the side. No good. Tapikan, sundutan. Now on number 10, Manyaka pass number 71, Supply. Tapikan number 71, para yung kila niya Supply. Para may talo si Red, tumatakas pa ang kanilang paka. Paul Kumila by number 1. Stop.
Second quarter na to, di ba?
First personal foul by number 1, warning for penalty. Sublime, number 23 to number 11. Tatlong minuto. Number 8, Garcia to number 11.
Ganda.
10.
Sayang.
Short. 8 to shoot. Number 77, Panang Sublime. On number 15, De Guzman. Pass 2. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Shoutout kay Adrian Cruz. Pakonect sa internet.
Wala pa rin masip. Wala pa.
Wala pa rin PLDT. Pero pakonect sa Starlink. Pakonect sa Starlink, idols.
Number 6, Duga Chinami. Ang kaya mga assist by number 6, good for 2. By Chelsea, number 9. 32-31. Kabiyak na lamang ang kalamangan. Nakabalan ng Maharlika.
Ganun, abot yun.
Number 11, Clemente.
Shout-
Number 8, Garcia Bukol sa Malayo. Sa
Ooh.
number 11,
Bang.
on the side. Pasok.
Shoutout kay OJ. Ang walang kahilig-hilig sa babae, si OJ.
Number 7, Yaga to number 9 on the side. Pasok.
OJ ang shooter ng...
2 minuto.
Ang shooter ng Maharlika, si OJ Pabros.
Number 0, Bukol sa Malayo. Sa line mo, number 15. Number 15, Legisman, makalimang na kaya ang punan ng puti. Sayang lang naman ang sagat. Pasok in 34-33, 1-point lead by Team Maharlika.
Tingnan mo ako yung video. Yung sa iPhone yung ginawa ko, ang daming nanood.
Number 11, Clemente. Pass to number 23. Number 30, down to shoot on the side. Pasok. The jersey number 30, lower. Number 10, Manyakot. Out of bounds. Same home. Shot clock, 17. 17. Shot clock. Now na pula. Number 0 to number 11, Clemente. Pasok. Skylar, wala nang timeout para sa first half. Ang kabanan ng Skylar. Isa pa sa kabanan ng Maharlika. 38-33. 5-point lead by Team Maharlika.
Alam talaga namin, OJ. Yung mga isang tira mo lang, sinag-aawayan ka pa. Oy, Kuya Bidjok, highlights daw si Prince.
Luluwas mo, ay mamunta mo na ako dyan sa...
Ano, Taiwan ba? Ayan, third quarter. Ay, second pala. Wala pa, hindi pa tapos. Yeah.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Idol, Joe Marie, Leon Son. Number 29,
Galing.
Pasok.
Wakali. Wakali.
1 minute and 5 seconds to play.
Like and share po tayo, mga kaibigan.
Number 11, Clemente. Tira niya. Wala. Now number 24, Santos. Pass to number 9.
Maganda laban, dikit lang.
Tira niya. Samay. Uy! Kumari, walang nangyari. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Kyla Perez.
Kung sino man yun nasa
40 seconds to play.
pulang bakal, shoutout daw.
Clemente. Pass to
Nakulay po
number
lang nasa bakal,
31.
shoutout daw.
10 to shoot.
Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Shoutout sa
5 to
10,000
shoot.
viewers.
For 2 number 11. Wala pang iba. 20 seconds to play. Wala na pong shot clock. 15 seconds to play. 10 segundo. 5 seconds to play. Good for 2 with number 29. And our Jeffers, ang official score, 40-37. Tatlo kalamangan ako na ng mga
Dikit
Maharlika.
lang. 40-37. Diba? Video. Nalikod nyo na lang kasi kaya na red na damit. Ayun, dito may bawal.
Magandang gabi, shoutout daw sa'yo. Pa-shoutout nga po kay Bonnie Neck, hashtag everyday tagay. Thank you po.
Ganda ng laban, dikit lang. Parang yung kagabi lang. Eme lang. Commercial muna.
Magandang gabi sa inyo, Felix and Kaislyn na para bang me at di ang tawagan. Mga lovebirds natin dyan, ayun na yung konti. Nakikita kayo dito, ang ating color of tonight, color white.
Mag-i-start na po ang
Kagabi,
third
color
quarter.
orange. Bukas kaya. Meron ding face of the night.
Kaya ba? Hingal na si Kuya George.
Shoutout daw sa'yo. Ilaan mo kung sino ka. Number 71, pass to number 24, Santos to number 29. On the side.
Grabe yun ah.
Si Kuya pala. Laging punta sa. Panis yung height niya.
Parang tirang Darwin ah.
Number 77, Banag. Pass to. 10 shoot. Good for 2. Number 71, La Cañeta. Picks up the shoot, got him up the side. Number 15, this man, 8-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Ayun, pinasa sa labas. Kunwari, hindi nasaktan. Deadma lang.
Shoutout sa 30,000 viewers. Mabuhay kayo.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Renato Jalisho Jr. Rasputos.
Ayan, tatawa na.
De Guzman. Pass to number 71, La Cañeta on the side, pass to number 30, Logo on the running number 30. Pass to number 77, Banag masyadong malakas. Sayang na po. Oh, number 29. Pass to number 71, the Gene shoot. Pass to number 50, the Lamagnon. Number 30, Lobo on the running garage. Pass.
Busy pa si Gok. Busy.
47-39. 8-point lead by Team Hartica.
Shoutout kay Gok. Busy pa. Huwag ka nang magtanong ng score, tara dito.
Shower out kay Renmark Reyes, Romel Maranit, at siya daw, Prince J. Reyes, sarili sikap lang.
May pa-shoutout ka rin dito, Prince ah.
Number 6, Benga. Pass to number 10, Maniaco. 15 to shoot to number 29. Pass to number 15 to Guzman. Decide to number 29. Supply. Go to number. Tapikan. Opening up with that. Number 9. Pass to number 6. Dunga on the side. No good. Nagkagawa naman rin ako number 15. Pass the card and foul committed by number 23. First personal foul. First. 24. Correction. I'll give it number 24. First personal foul, first team foul. Ball shot. Supply. I'll give it number 10.
Away mo.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Rolando Ignacio. Sabay na ako na number 9. Number 9, pass to number 6, Dunga to number 10, Maniaco. Number 10, pass to number 29 on the side. Pass.
May joke, shoutout mo daw kasi.
Clemente, yan na. Para na naman siyang karumpo pa. Foul committed by number 6, Dunga.
Eh, shoutout.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Shoutout po. Kagawad Jonathan Manapat. Mega shoutout.
Pa-shoutout daw kay Gian Lizano, ang nightmare ng Maykay. Ay, ikaw pala ang bangungot ng
Bangungot.
Maykay. Gian Lizano. Aray ko. Mga bata. Number 30, pass to number 77, Pana. Ayun, iyak ko. How committed by number 15, that is mine. First personal foul, 13 fouls on rep. Number 24 out and number 23 are sailing. Shout out sa iyo, Barbie Manapat. 15 na siya, number 30, Lobo Pumahol. Pasa ng panayon, kaya muscle man. Pero nawala ang bola. White ball. Nice rep. Number 10, Manyako. Number 10. Oh, committed by number 30. Sige po. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 10, pass to number 29, Pumulang sa layo. Short. Now number 6, Tuka Supply. Single. Shot clock, 14. Number 6, pass to number 29, Pumulang sa layo. Run up. Number 11, Clemente out running up. Pakahusay, napakabilis. May towel si rep. Foul committed by number 29. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Nakasang makalobat.
Pasok, kaganyang unang pag-gusto. Last draw. Pasok pa rin.
Shooter.
Official score 49-43. 6-point lead.
6 points
Tino
down.
Harlaga, Dunka, Tumanyako, 15 to shoot. Number 10, Aras with jersey number 77, 10 second shot clock, nasa na ni number 21, pass to number 11. Masyado mabilis. Number 11, Clement, ayan na. Sa sobrang bilis, pati sarili niya, hindi niya nakinaya. Number 10, Manyakop. Number 10, pass to number 9. Down in the muscle man. To number 11, Clemente, pass to number 77, punch to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 21 on the side. Ay, tapos si rep. What was that? Foul committed by number 9. Sub rep.
Shoutout kay Jing Jing. Wala ata si Jing dito eh.
Penalty.
Umuwi ata eh.
Penalty. Penalty.
Ayun, commercial. Commercial muna.
Penalty. Penalty.
Sorry.
Penalty. Sige pa, palitan ng papalitan. Rep, penalty. First row.
Wata.
Sublime. Aray mo. Last row. Sarap. Number 28 out and number 8 Garcia. Number 71 Lacanienta. Number 71 Supply. Okay, sulit po. Shot clock 15. Oh, sorry na. Oo. Sorry na. Number 71, Sublime. Kayo ha. Number 77,
Tatawan tayo referee eh.
Pass to number 8, Garcia. Supply, what number? Number 15. Number 15, because my number running number 15. Ayan, ako na ba? Ako na ba siya sa bola? Number 15, dito nga sa supply. Gawin number 15. Wala pa rin. Garcia. Diretso, tuloy. Number 77 to number 23. Pasa. Number 29. Foul committed by number 21. Holding foul by jersey number 21.
Ano?
Yes!
Baby yun ah.
By jersey number 21. Ano? Bawiin mo yun. Bawiin mo yun.
Nagulat ah. Running shot challenge.
Number 77. Pumagal sa Malayo Supply. With number 71. Pass number 15. Nasa sa labas. Banag. You see a dribbling 15 to shoot. Number 77, pass to number 8, Garcia. In and out, now in a ball. White ball. Sabrak. Labas out, pasok in. Number 29. Pass to number 24, Santos, shot clock 15. Pass to number 29. Kapos. Number 77, Banag. 15 to shoot. Pass number 8, Garcia. If that was red foul committed by number 1. Penalty situation. Second personal foul on number 1. Penalty. Dalawang libreng pambubuslo para kay jersey number 8, Garcia.
52-48.
First throw. Pasok.
53-48.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Alan Banag Mapamahal.
53-48. Lamang Maharlika.
Number 7, Alacanyeta. To number 29 na nasa nagana number 29. Sige, sa akin Eka ang gabi nito. Wala. Bawal number 77 naman ako si red foul committed by number 15. Penalty situation, second personal foul. Number 29, ng puti out. And number 10 in. Dalawang libreng pambubuslo para kay jersey number 71. First throw. Pasok. Last throw. Apo. Noted. Supply, goal number 15. Number 10, Manyako. 15 to shoot. Aras by jersey number 20, pass number 15 to this line. 10, second shot, goal number 15, and down the side. Parang bagets. Dos puntos. Number 21, Supply. Pero may goals to ref. Foul committed by number 10. Second personal foul on number 10.
Kasi galing sa ano eh. Pag pick up eh. Oo, doon.
First row. Uy. Gagawin. Last row. Sabay. Violation. Number 10. Manyagat 15 to shoot. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 10. Dako na pula.
Backward.
Okay, backward po. Tama lang. Nasa kabila pa si Koyang. Tatlong minuto. Pass to number 71 on the side. Kanta naman ng 2 segundos by jersey number 24, Santos. Number 20, pumukang sa kanay.
Damn!
Number 71 to number 1 in Barriada, pass to number 24 to number 10, back to number 24, Santos. Pinasa sa kalaban, kaso na babasang balay. Sayang naman. Sabrap! Kasi mamaya ka na eh. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 71. And now, good for 2 by number 15, biggest mine. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 11, pass to number 8, Garcia, back to number 11, 10 to shoot. Number 11, yan na, nakalusot na. Pakalayo naman, wala. Nakaling number 23, naman sa 5 to shoot. Yes! Puntos by jersey number 20. Number 15, Ligasman, to number 10, Manyakop. Number 10, pass to number 71 on the side. Supply. What was that? Pushing foul by jersey number 1. Sabrap. Third personal foul on number 1. Penalty situation.
Penalty pala, penalty.
Hindi po. First row. Paso. Last row. Sabay, goal number 24, Joe Art Santos. Bumbo, paladama mo. PKA, show my rise. Number 71, Akanyet, tapos sa Darurat, short. Number 23, the muscle one. Pass to number 11, Clemente, tingnan mo. Diba? Good for 2, and number 20, Paul shot. Eksaktong 1 minuto. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24, nasa naman. Number 11, Clemente. Ayun. Number 20, pass number 23, the muscle man. Sabay. Number 71, yakap, pinahalan po na sana all. Foul committed by number 23. The muscle man, first personal foul, warning for penalty. 30 seconds to play. Score 63-52 in favor of Team Maharlika. Number 10, pass to number 6, Dunga on the side, Supply. Got number 10, Manyakop. Number 10, on the side, block on the number. Time to shoot. Number 71. Good. Number 20. That's number 11, Clemente. Supply para may Carlos Rex. Foul committed by number 10. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Ano wala si JC dito?
11 seconds remaining time. Dalawang libre ang probable score para may jersey number 11.
Tapos na third quarter, JC.
Walang kasing
na lang nanood
bilis.
tuloy sa bahay.
Sa bahay na lang nanood ah.
Viewer, share mo na.
Nakawash out eh.
11 seconds to play.
11 seconds, third quarter.
Pero nakuha pa rin niya.
Sablay.
Round number 6.
Kumol pa. 63-52, JC.
Also number 11. Penalty situation. First personal foul.
Kumol.
Penalty.
Tatlong pupito ko yan. 63-52. Yan lang.
Sublime. Pasok. 7 seconds. 7 segundo remaining time. Pasok Perry. Report to number 24. End of the third quarter. Official score 63-56.
63-56. Ah, fourth quarter na. 63-56. Walang commercial. Mag-i-start na yung fourth quarter. Lakas makalobat. Paano mo na lang sa replay? Patingnan mo sa replay.
Warning for delaying the game ang kupunan ng Skyler.
Aray, bola, bola!
Last quarter na, last quarter.
Number 24, Paulino to number 11. Clemente to number 01, sign of good down number 28. Pasok.
Shoutout sa announcer ano.
Number 6, Dunga. Score 65-56 in favor of Team Maharlika. Number
Pwede,
6, Dunga.
pwede dyan aral, tapos ano, tinola ulit.
Clemente, pass number 77, para pero masyadong malakas.
Shoutout daw kay Bogart Junel.
Number 71 is Interlane. Nagabagsak si number 29. 15 to shoot. Number 29. Nakalasada na kawas.
Mabili.
Cha-cha.
Like and share nyo na mga kapatid.
Magandang gabi sa heartthrob ng Tangos, Sherwin Dingla. Nakahawik daw ni Joshua Garcia.
Ganda. Ay, hindi ko alam eh. Ano ba magkakaman last week? Junior ata yan eh, junior. Hindi ko alam
Pass to number 71, 15 to shoot. Number 71, I got him on the sign. 10, second shot clock to number 15, it is mine. One of my mistakes of line, but that was to rep. Foul to number 28. Second personal foul, first team foul, suburb number 29 out and number 10 in. Dalawang libre ang foul of snow para kay jersey number 15, it is mine. First show, pasok.
Pulo tsaka bang boss.
Last show, para kay jersey number 15, it is mine. Sublime. Now number 71, Casa Lamona Sambalur.
Depende, lobat na ako eh.
Official score, 67-57. 10-point lead by Team Maharlika.
Shoutout daw kay Alvin.
Number 24, Paulino. In and out, down to number 15. It's mine. Pass to number 6, Dunka. Number 6, Dunka. Nakalisod sa fly. But number 28, Nasundan. Number 9. Kita na sa fly. Number 28. Pass to number 11, Clemente. Number 11. Sige, 11. Oh, Clemente, number 6. Dunga. Third personal foul. First.
Advance mag-isip si Paolo ah. Sinout na minention na si Alvin. Hindi na nagtatanong.
Number 11, Clemente. Pass to number. Pumawag sa malaya. Wala. Now on number 0, Real. Pass to number 8.
Mabuling.
Nagagawa na pala. Nakakuha na pula. Number 24. Number 24, Paulino. Paulino, pass to number 77, Panawag. Pasok. Number 15, pass to number. Sarap. Number 6 out. Number 24 in. Number 71 to number 10, Manyaka upon his sign. Supply, now on number 15, it is mine. Supply, Paringo, number 24. Supply, Paringo, number 15. Walang parking, pero may
Nasa bola.
and foul committed by number 28. Third personal foul on number 28. Second team foul. First show. Pasok.
Shoutout na si Alvin.
Last show. Supply. Now the number 28. Number 28 pass number 11. Supply. Now number 7. Oh.
Shoutout si ano?
Foul
NNLE.
committed by number 0.
Mega shoutout.
First personal
Sabi ni
foul.
Gasti.
Third team foul.
Shoutout sa inyo. Mabuhay kayo.
Manyaka.
Share lang at
6
like.
minutes
Kaya
and
na kami.
15-second shot clock. Number 71.
Thank you.
Supply.
Good luck.
Number 9 on the side punch to number 15. Supply. Pero it goes to rep. Foul committed by number 28. Warning for fouled out jersey number 28. May isa ka pa. Gamitin mo na. Warning for penalty. Pag na-shoot po yung last. Last show. Sabit. Time out. score 69-59.
69-59. Lamang ang Maharlika. Yan, ano ko,
Shout out
69-59.
now kay Carl Vincent Polano na fresh galing Gapan. Patingin nga ng fresh.
Ito si Iman. Fresh. Teka, nawala. Yan. Maharlika, boss. Maharlika. Lamang ang Maharlika.
Magandang gabi sa ating kopalakanay. Felix and Kaiseline na para bang mi at di ang tawagan.
Oh, Emmy, tawag dito, Emmy.
Wala, nakanin daw masaman. Ayan na, gumamit na ng mga skills. Wala, nakanin 24, pass number 15. Si number 71. Number 71, pass number 9. Pasok. 69-61.
69-61. Lamang pa rin ang
11,
Maharlika.
team number. Paulino, Sawan, number 15, Guzman. Number 15. Pass to number 10.
Tama nga dito, Emmy.
Pass to number 15, the shoot. Supply, go rin number 15, time to shoot. Wala pa rin. Lawan ng pula. Number 11, Clemente. Let's go to number 24. Number 24, Paulino, pass to number 30, Lobo. Pass to number 77, Panagana, side over number 11. Pass on. Skylar, official score
Ay, watang Skyler.
73-61.
73-61.
Final quarter.
Oh, sila nila, Ari. Iniwan nila yung ulo. Iniwan na ang ulo.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Tamo de Guzman. Wala bang bulit dyan? Back to the ball game.
Inaon classic to, inaon classic eh, no?
Kailangan siya ng finals.
Number 15 to number 10. Ganda sana kasi wala lang ni number 11. Clemente. Pass to number 20, Kabasaman. Paso, hindi naman tumitig kasi Pascal sa'yo. Sabi sa inyo, automatic ka pag last quarter eh. Number 9. Ayun, bula. Paul Gumira, may number.
Oh, shoot like and share mo.
23, penalty. Sabay. Nastro. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Yogi Kalilio. And the shoot, Paulino, pumukal sa
Yeah.
Grass. Puntas with jersey number 24. Number 10, Manyakap. Number 10, Nakalusad, Sublime. Now on number 30, Lobo. On running number 30, pass number 11, Clemente. Pass on.
Pagod na sila.
15 to shoot. Good for 2, may number 9. Number 30, Lobo, 3 minutes and 30 para sa ating final quarter.
3 minutes and 30
10
seconds.
second shot clock.
Uy, grabe yun.
Time to shoot, Sublime. Now number 24, now number 15. Pass to number 24. Number 24 to number 71, Sublime. By number 24, Sublime pa rin. Now number 71, pass to number 9, now number 10. 10 to shoot. 3 minuto. Number 10 to close the runners. Puntos out. Garcia, number 15. Isa na lang po ang gala ng una ng mga Harlika. Isa rin sa kuna ng Skyler. 8067. Happy birthday sa iyo, June Mag-isa de Guzman.
Hard kayo na rep.
Shower out at magandang gabi sa inyo, Kayla de la Cruz and Shaniel Mendoza. Back to the bowling.
Sana umabot ng third game tong cellphone ko.
80-67,
mapag-live pa.
2 minutes and 54 seconds.
2 minutes and 54 seconds.
Abang tong hininga, akala mo nakapagod siya lang. 15 to shoot. Pass number 11, Clemente. 10 to shoot. Number 8, Garcia on the side. 5 to shoot. Number 11, Clemente belongs to the rest of line. Number 15. Pass number 10, Manyako. Number 10, Reginald Savoy. Number 20, pass to number 11. Number 11, Clemente. Last by 2.
Ubos oras na to.
15 to shoot.
Showball yan, ubos oras na yan.
10 to shoot.
Bang, bang, bang.
Wala pa rin. Number 15, de Guzman. Last 2 minutes. Wow. Wala, kumabar niya. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin niya. Sige, isa pa. Good for 2, ginagawa. Time out. Number 15, Garcia. Wala nang time out. Ako muna ng Maharlika. Isa pa sa kuna ng Skyler. 80-69.
80-69.
Tayo.
Ayan o, sige, gibuhat o.
Ayun tayo.
Pagkakain, lumalabas ka.
Nagising ko nga lang.
Ayop ka.
Nagsalita. Oy, eka. Alaseka tayo, tapos nandito ka na pala. Kupal. Yung Kuya Gio, kupal kasi yan. Ano naman siya kasama? Gusto mo?
Kamagulo, mas ka dyan.
Ay,
Oh, pulo, may lay.
pulo. Akala ba, Richter?
Wala, pulo.
Kayo ba?
Hindi, wala eh. Lumubay sa ni Aris.
Sino?
Pulo tsaka Bang Bros.
Ano naman?
Number 11, Clemente to number 8, Garcia. Paso.
Marley ka.
Ang card na yun?
Fourth.
1 minute and
45 pa
30 seconds to play. Guzman to number 29.
Bang!
Tres. Puntos by jersey number 29.
Best player ah.
Number 8, Garcia, 15 to shoot. Pass number 11, Clemente. 10 to shoot. Ooh. Number 8, Garcia. Paso.
Marley ka nga.
Eh, bakit best player ka mo si...
Hindi, kung ano. Ayun.
Number 11, Clemente. Isang minuto. O di ba napakabilis niya? Andito lang kanina yun. Napakaswerte ng asawa niya. Pinapaspasan siguro palagi. Ano? Ang pinabilis eh. 50 seconds. Andito na sa gitna kanina ngayon. Siguro pag pinalibang ng gano'n ng asawa, masasalo agad.
Naman ka ba si Bubeng? Siyempre, konti lang sila. Madami.
40 seconds.
Bangko yan, bangko.
Okay na daw po.
Okay na, tapos na.
Best player of the game, walang iba kundi siya. Clemente, jersey number 11, total points, 24 points.
Yan. Panalo po ang Maharlika. Yan. Maharlika ang panalo. Third player, Clemente. Okay, mamaya ulit. Abus.